What happens if you're not happy with the order passed by the income tax department, or you're getting a tax demand from an assessing officer? You have to remember that whether there is any right for appeal against the tax demand or the instructions you got from the income tax department. The answer is yes. You have the right to appeal to the higher authorities. So, if you are aggrieved taxpayer, or if you are not happy, if you feel that the decision of the income tax officer or the tax demand you received is incorrect, it's unfair, so you have the right to go to the higher authority, higher appellate authority for justice. So they will reconsider that, and they will re-examine the order. So they will verify the correctness, and they will give an appropriate order accordingly. The taxpayer has to abide by that. So this is the meaning of appeal. So in this module we will see the meaning of appeal and the objectives of appeal. What are the objectives of appeal? Appeal is to ensure justice to the taxpayers. If they feel that anywhere they are not happy with that order, or they have their rights to claim that, then it is the duty of the system to provide justice to the taxpayer. Second is to protect the taxpayer rights. Taxpayers, we are always requesting everybody to be transparent, honest in dealing with the tax department, and be ready and file the tax returns. So it is, if they have to follow the instructions, if they have to cooperate with the system, that should be, they have to protect the rights of the taxpayers. Then to correct errors. It's human that sometimes they may make mistakes. So if it's higher authorities verifying that, we can provide justice. And the fourth point is to ensure fairness in tax administration. That is very important. Then only the trustworthiness they can create, and then only people will be willing to come forward to file tax returns. For example, if I'll give you an example for appeal. See, for example, a business person, he has computed his tax liability, and he has claimed certain deductions and exemptions. The assessing officer has not approved that. So the extra tax demand he received from the assessing officer, he is not happy with that, but the provision available to him is that he can go to the higher authority with an appeal. So they will reconsider that, they will see that, and they will pass an order. So that is the objective of appeal. And please remember that appeal is the legal remedy available to the taxpayers. So they will ensure that fair tax administration, they will protect the taxpayer rights, they will ensure fairness, they will rectify the mistakes. So with all this, more and more people will be willing and come forward to file the tax returns. Be honest, be transparent, cooperate with the system. So that is the essence, or that is the meaning of ensuring complete, efficient, fair and justice in tax administration.